What's poppin', y'all? Is your boy Reggie Beatz. Today we're gonna be going through how Straightening by Migos was made. It was produced by DJ Drill. You know, Migos pulled up there, you know what I'm saying? It's a very dope song. So without wasting any more time, let's get to it. If you, well, you can't subscribe now. You'll subscribe at the end if you like the video. Let's go. Okay, so here's how the beat sounds. I'm sure you're wondering where the intro at. Okay, cool. So I'll be starting with the intro, which is this section. So what I've used for that part, I've used Nexus piano, just Nexus PN, Nexus grand piano. Nexus has some dope, you know, pianos, especially for trap. So if you wanna make some piano trap beats, better check out Nexus. I know it's an old one, but you know, it still does the job. Okay, so okay, cool. So I actually added some EQing to the piano. Listen to it without the EQ. See, it sounds stupid, but once I add the EQ back in, you see what I'm saying? So sometimes when you're remaking a beat, it's all about in the EQ, especially piano, because some pianos have highs, some of them have mids and stuff. So yeah, well, and I'm gonna put the link for this for this FLP in the description, so don't worry about this presets. You know, you'll find them down there. Cool. So now let's get to the main part, which is the hey, let's go offset, let's go. Okay, so now let's go to the flute, because that's the main sound of the beat. And the flute that I used here is called Chinese flute. You know, it's on Nexus. It's on one of these packs here, you know. So if you want some of this, because these are like really old packs of Nexus that I remember I got a long time ago. But then if you want them, then I can just put them in the description below. And you know, I'm gonna put this with the FLP as well. If you have Nexus, then you'll definitely find it. Okay, so here's how it is. Oh, this is the one. This is the low piano. Let me go to the high one. You know, there we go. That's it. That's how the piano is. And then now let me play the beat, which just, so we're gonna bring back everything one by one. You know, I was starting with this. Oh shit! At least I actually put the head on. I was starting with. Okay, cool. So the next thing now we're gonna add is the hi-hats. So the hi-hats that I've used here is the Pierre. I don't know, it is Pierre or Piero or what, you know. Pierre in my country is a pear. Like Pierre is like, you know, when you a pear. I don't know, man. Some pears and shit. So that's how we get it. And then let's see. So the hi-hat. So I used the Pierre hi-hat and the Cymatics Cobra hi-hat too. And here's how they go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hey. Ooh, we can actually make a new beat from this hi-hat. Hey, let me beatbox. Hey. Okay, cool. So now that's the hi-hat, and let's hear how everything sounds with the hi-hat. Okay. Whoa, whoa, hey, it's getting there, right? The next thing is the percussion. So where's that? And don't worry about this drum kits. I'm gonna put them in this file that I'm gonna have in the description below. So stress too much, relax and enjoy the ride, man. Okay, cool. The pack that I use is the NMYSL pack. Alright, so here's how it goes. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa. Okay, cool. So that's the perk, and here's how everything sounds with the percussion, not a Percussion. It's not a percussion, guys. Not a percussion. It's a perk, like a perk. Percussion. Hey, hey, whoa. Hey, 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 hey. It's getting there, right? You can hear it, you know. Can't lie about it. It's getting there. So now there was also a snare in there, you know, and I used the YN mod snare. You see, so let's hear how the YN, I mean, it's just like a normal pattern, just like a normal snare pattern. Okay, let me turn it on so you can hear how it sounds. Hey, oh. Great. So now the next thing I'm gonna put is the main thing, the 808 and the kick. Well, let me just do the 808 first. Okay, so I use the Metro 808, which is one 808 that I like because it is too boomy. It's like boom. Maybe it's just called the Metro. Oh shit. It's called the Metro because it booms, like Metro booming. Makes sense. Makes a whole lot of sense. Okay, so let's hear that. Let me play it alone by itself so you can hear first. Let me give it this time to shine. Hey. Whoa. Oof. 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 Hey. 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 And here's how it sounds with the song. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Okay, and now the kick. The kick is just following the same pattern as the 808, but I just, you know, put it on the same key, of course, because you don't want to kick going like. Okay, well, it didn't actually sound that bad, but we don't want it going up and down and stuff. So let's hear how it sounds the kick now. Hey, 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 whoa, whoa. Well, this sounds dope. Well, I almost said it was done here, but because there's some of those middle sounds that are missing in the beat, right? Like just a bit of mids, because the way it sounds right now, you know, it's almost complete, but it's just that thing. So what I did, because some of those sounds, guys, let's face it, you know, sometimes people just use, they use a whole different plugins that we don't have, and sometimes they even mix, put reverb, put that and that. So what I did is that I took the song and I cut out the vocals from the song, and I cut out the bass from the song, and I only left the mid part. Listen to it. So now with everything sounds like this. What the fuck? So now everything sounds like this. Hey, oh, hey, 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 hey. Let's go, set, let's go. Okay, cool. So that's it. If you like the video, now you can hit the sub button. You better make sure you hit the sub button, man. You gotta hit the sub button, and then if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Like the video, and I'ma see you on the next one. If you wanna make a request, of course, put it in the comment section below. Reggie Beatz, I'm out. Straightenin, 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 ooh, straightenin, 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 straightenin. Ain't nothing but Boba straightenin. Nothing but Boba straightenin. Whatever nigga, Boba straightenin. Whatever nigga, Boba straightenin. The poke with the fake, with the fakeish.